YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Today in this video, I did a undercut. Now I did something a little bit differently. I don't know whether this is a low fade or a mid fade or what type of fade this actually is, but I tried something different, man. I wanted to show a greater transition in the blend. I wanted to see if I could blend the bottom and just show this massive transition, all right? The client, mind you, the client didn't ask for this. He was a walk-in. He came in. I was like, hey, I got you. If you want to get got, I got you, right? So he came in. He told me he wanted a fade. So I basically put my own spin on it, all right? So I basically tell you guys how to do it. So if you want to know how to do this transition, which is, I took different steps, you guys will know, but I'm done rambling, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, all right? Stay tuned. So with this haircut, I wanted to show a great hues massive blend, right? So I'm using my Babyless Gold FX trimmer with the lever open to kind of take the place of the bald line. Although I'm gonna set in my bald line, but I want my lever open to be in that bald line area. With the one guard open, I'm going up about an inch. I'm using my comb as a way to stop the hair from lifting off the scalp, and just to keep the hair down. I really want to take off some of this bulk, so I'm going up about an inch, making sure I keep the same width all the way around the haircut. Usually you could just run the clipper over comb and knock all the hair off, but to keep it on the safe side, I like to just take that extra step. Just be patient with my number 2 guard and run the clipper straight up. So right now, I'm gonna do some clipper over comb. What I like to do is imagine my client's head as a box, and I like to go vertically with my comb and just take everything that's hanging over off. So dropping back down to my one guard open, I'm just gonna clean up that area in a flick out motion between the one guard and the 2 guard. Now putting on my zero guard in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. So the way I'm going to go about fading up this bottom is that I'm going to attack the bottom as if I created a bottom line already. So what I'm going to do with the lever closed, I'm going to flick out the very bottom and just adjust my lever as I go up. Also, I'm going to come behind it with my trimmers and just clean it up a little bit better than the lever close did. The lever close couldn't get it as bald as I wanted it, so I'm just cleaning up the bottom as much as I can. I like to do some detail work. What I like to do is I like to take a look at something else real quick, kind of rejuvenate my eyes. I don't want that tunnel vision, so I want to refresh my eyes, look at something else, come back, do some detail work, get out the areas where it's a lot of bulk or you see a line of demarcation. You could take that out. I like to switch my guards, and it's easy because I know where I set my guidelines. So just make sure you detail as much as possible. This will take your fades to the next level. The cut, and if you like it, Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button if you like the beat. Make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Also, if you've seen any tools that you like to see in this video and you want to know where you can get it from, find it in the links in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.